click on Create New Site, then select Shopify. Now enter your website URL here. Here, you have to enter your Shopify domain prefix. First, go to Shopify tab. Click on Settings, then Domains. From there, copy my Shopify domain prefix. Paste the URL here, then click on Continue. Now, you will need access key. Go to Shopify tab again. Then click on Apps and Sales Channels. Click on Develop Apps, then click Create an App. Type LinkBoss. Now click on Create App. Here, click on Configure Admin API Scopes. Scroll down and select these exact 6 fields, just like me. Now click on Save. Click on Configuration. Now click on Install App. Then click on Install. Here, click on Reveal Token once and copy it. Go back to LinkBoss app, paste the access key, then click Continue. Now you'll need to get the API key and the API secret key from the Shopify tab. Copy-paste the API key and API secret key. After pasting both key, click on Continue, then click on Create Project. Select what you want to sync, then click on Sync Selected Data. Now wait for its sync to complete. Then click Go to Project. Go to Site Report tool. If you see data there, then sync is successful.